Sectoral mutual funds are equity funds that invest all your money in a particular sector like IT, banking, pharma, etc. The IT funds or IT sector funds, also known as technology funds, are one such sectoral funds investing the entire corpus in information technology companies. Since they invest in only one sector, there is no diversification. Hence, they are considered to be riskier as sectoral performance is often cyclical. Last year, these IT funds in India returned about 65% as annual returns, with ICICI Prudential Technology Fund yielding a mind-boggling 77%. However, this year to date as of 11th November 2022, they are down by almost 20%. The question is, should you invest in them? Welcome to Nana's Learn Better. Use this channel to enrich your knowledge in personal finance to take informed decisions. Do subscribe to the channel if not done already. Let's consider these IT funds for our discussion. We are not comparing any of the IT index funds but are limiting our discussion to the regular ones under growth option direct plan. Except the fund from Tata, all others have been there for almost 10 years. All the funds have invested more than 90% in the equity of IT companies with Infosys as the top holding. Off the pack, Franklin India Technology Fund's performance is very average compared to the rest. For example, if you exclude Franklin, the 5-year average return is about 27%, but when you include Franklin, the return drops to 25%. But these funds are down by 20% this year to date, though they clocked supernormal performance of returning about 65% last year. Hence, what you should do? Before that, let's understand why the IT funds are yielding negative returns now in 2022. Till last year, Indian IT stocks were riding on the global positive sentiment. But things changed in early 2022. With the fears of possible recession in the US, which is the biggest export market for Indian IT companies, IT spendings are being held back. That means fewer projects for Indian IT companies to work on. This leads to lower earning forecasts and is adversely affecting the valuations of these tech companies. So, coming back to the question, with the negative performance of these funds this year, what you should do as an investor? Remember, you need to stay invested for long for better returns. That being the case, you should continue holding your investments if you had already invested in IT funds, disregarding this year's performance as things would normally work out well in the long run. However, if you are new investor, how to proceed? Should you invest in these IT funds or not? As a general investor, you should always limit your investment in sectoral funds like IT funds to not more than 10% of your total portfolio and be prepared to stay for at least 7 years. This way, you are part of the IT sector and benefit from its superlative performance but limiting your risk. So, do not overdo this. Else, you may end up bleeding as the risk is enormous in these sectoral funds. This suggestion does not apply to you if you are someone who has advanced knowledge of macro trends in IT and if you prefer to take selective bets for higher returns compared to other equity funds. Then you can invest as you please. Of course, you should also be ready to face the possibility of moderate to high losses in your investments should this sector perform badly in spite of the fact that the overall market is performing better. This is all about should you invest in IT sector mutual funds given the fact that they are performing poorly in the year 2022. See you in another video. Till then, this is Narayanan Viraya from the channel Nana's Learn Better.